Hey guys, it's your girl Renee here again with another video, and I want to wish you all a blessed, prosperous 2021. Although 2020 I started out late, I just want to say thank you guys for showing me the love and the support. I see you all comments and I try my best to respond to you all. Thank you for the suggestions you have been giving me, and thank you for just encouraging me to do more videos. I see them all. Thank you again. I hope 2021 will be very successful for you all and all your goals will be accomplished. Thanks again for loving Renzi style, and I just want to wish you all a happy new year. This week's video is all about turning a bathroom vanity into a coffee table. Yes, I'm so excited. So I was here contemplating of buying a coffee table, but then I realized I had purchased a few extra vanities and I can use it for my coffee table. If you have seen my previous video where I used 3 bathroom vanities to create a beautiful entrance table, you know what I'm going to do now. If you haven't seen that video, click the link down below and watch it. It's very beautiful. Thank you again for all the persons that subscribe. Thank you for all the beautiful people out there that is sharing my videos. And also, I see you all comment. Thank you for the love, the support, and I wish 2021 will be very successful. So this is the Gouda vanity that I'll be using to set up this coffee table. Here you see me pull out the boards that I'll be using. I ensure that I glue and uses the screws that come with it to lock the boards in. So the board I'll be using would be 5 pieces, the top, the bottom, the sides, and the middle piece. So I'll only be using 5 pieces. Now this piece here you see me using, that is the vanity bowl, and here you see me locking them together now. Please remember you can watch my other video where I did the entrance table using the bathroom vanity, and let me know, share your comments down below if you would do what you would do with your vanity if you got so reasonable vanity. I got this one for 800 Jamaican dollars, which is about $8 US around there. After setting up the vanity, I took it outside. This is day 2 of the project, so I took it outside, wipe it off before I go in with the spray. So ensure you remove all the dust particles from your furniture before you start spraying. Most time you can give it a light sand, but in this case I won't give it any sanding because this would be the flat block and it will hold perfectly. Now the spray I'll be using is a Rust-Oleum flat spray. I got this spray at Premier Plaza, that's in Alpha Tree. I got it for around 700 Jamaican dollars, which is not bad at all. Ensure you cover your nose when you're spraying so that you don't inhale the spray. I really don't cover mine, but it's just the right thing to do. After spraying, I left it there to dry, and then I carried it back inside after it's dry to start putting in a glass. So the glass that you see in the picture that comes with the vanity, I'll be using that glass on the one side of the coffee table. So I'll be peeling the strips that come on the glass. It's a double-sided tape, so I'll be peeling them off, and then I will place the glass inside, and then I go ahead and decorate this coffee table. Also, please remember to share this video, subscribe, and also if you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch them, and look out for my next video, which I'll be showing you simple DIYs that I do to decorate my small apartment. So there are simple stuff we can do to make our little space look good. and I'll be showing you that in the next video, so stay tuned for that video to come. Now let me know if you like my DIY coffee table, and please share in your comments what you would do if you get vanities this cheap. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.